Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 31st tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about the next statement in Perl. So those of you who have prior programming experience with other programming languages, the next statement in Perl is equivalent to the continue statement in most other programming languages. So what it allows you to do is it allows you to skip loop iterations, and it can be really useful in situations where you want the loop to continue with the iterations except for some cases. And I'm going to demonstrate the syntax, or the usefulness of the next statement through a script that's called next, and I have it opened here in my IDE. In this script, on line number 3, I have a for loop that uses the control variable x, and the initial value of x is 10, and the test condition is x is less than 20, and we are updating the value of x in each iteration by 1. So this means that we're going to start with the value 10 and we're going to get to the value 20, and the loop is going to have 10 iterations because we are incrementing the value of x by 1 in each iteration. Now let's say we want to see all values of x from 10 till 20 except the value 15, and since we do not want to see the value 15, we have to stop the loop from printing or executing the print statement when x is 15, and we cannot stop the execution of the loop completely, because if we would do that, then we would also not see values from 16 to 20. So we want the loop to work just the the way it would work, but we don't want to see the value, or we do not want to run a piece of code inside the body of the loop when x gets the value 15. So we can do that by placing an if statement within the body of loop. On line number 5 I have one, and this is going to check when x is 15, and when x reaches 15, inside the body, inside the if block, I just have the next statement. You put this keyword, and as soon as x is going to be 15, we are going to execute the next statement, and we will not pass the control to the print statement on line number 9. Instead, we would straight away move to the update part of the for loop. We would change the value of x to 16, and we would continue with the remaining iterations. So what's going to happen is, initially x has 10. We are going to test whether 10 is less than 20. Of course it is. So we're going to get inside the for loop. This if statement is going to evaluate this condition: is 10 equal to 15? Of course it's not. So we are not going to execute this next statement. Instead, we are going to print the value of x, which is 10. Then we're going to get to the update part. We're going to update the value of x from 10 to 11, get inside the loop, and the same thing would happen when x gets the value 15. This if statement is not going to fail. This test condition is not going to fail. We're going to get inside if, execute the next statement, and instead of letting the control come to print, we are going to skip this code, and we're going to move on to the update part. And I'll show you the output of this script by pressing F5. So there we go. We can see numbers from 10 till 19 except the number 15. So that's what you can do using the next statement. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care.